Welcome to SPUR Gear, guys, where we do RC everything. Touring, drifting, crawling, bashing, unboxing, and complete builds. What you're looking at is a brand spanking new TRX4 Adventure Edition. This is completely bone stock aside from the AlienTac 1.9mm bead locks. I'm going to show you an affordable upgrade designed to increase your stock TRX4's performance and ultimately outflex your buddy's crawler. With that being said, let's get started. Now it's time to reveal the upgrade. HPI Wheelie King shocks at 117mm length. These guys right here are going to replace the stock 90mm shocks. Please note that while these things do come assembled, they do require oil. I've gone ahead and purchased the Team Associated 15 weight oil. I'll assemble these and we'll get back to the build. Alrighty, now that we have the oil in these shocks, we're going to go ahead and mount them. This is just a side-by-side view, just so you can see. There you have it, HPI Wheelie King shocks. Obviously you can go and spend $80+ on crawler specific shocks, but if you're looking to really up the flex on your TRX4 without breaking the bank, these are the perfect choice. This is SPUR Gear signing off. Thank you for watching.